So our team is tackling with net zero problems in fashion industry, and we propose a model called C-Flow League. And here's the structure of our video. And now I'm going to introduce the topic. So why are we choosing the fashion industry to provide solution? After our careful research, we found that 10% of global emission comes from the fashion industry, and the significant contributor is the overproduction. Though there are many decarbonization practices available nowadays, they are all costly, localized, and it's difficult for companies at the very beginning to pursue environmental sustainability and earn profit at the same time. But we believe a deep supply chain integration can do both things. The supply chain now is lack of enough integration to both reduce waste and improve profit, and that's our opportunity. Now, the key is information transparency, and here's our solution. We propose that the companies in fashion industry form an information sharing league and set up a system with three main functions: carbon-related data publishing and searching, stakeholder matching board, and net zero process visualization system.
First, I will introduce our information collection process. We'll do this through carbon accounting. There are 5 steps for the whole process. First, we define business goal as engaging value chain emissions, enhancing stakeholder information, and corporate reputation. We set accounting principle as operational control, which means company accounts for 100% of emissions, which has operational control. Also, we'll keep track on scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions separately. For scope 3, we'll even separate it to upstream and downstream emissions. For the data collection, combine direct measurement and indirect calculation to report all the emissions. We will keep track of many other data related to the goal of achieving net zero, like resource recycling, to show the performance of the company. Company can set targets separately for each scope's emission reduction, which can help whole industry have a constructive plan for achieving the net zero goal.
Next, I will introduce main functions provided by our platform, namely publishing and researching, matching board, and process visualization system. After collecting all the data provided by our business partners, we will publish them for our company's reference. Our second function is called matching board. Before jumping into this function, let me show you the ideal net zero cycle. As you can see, this cycle involves lots of stakeholders, so we feel like we have to integrate them all together to accelerate the process of net zero. In other words, our matching board is a function that integrates VC, carbon management firms, alternative energy or material firms, supply chain partners, and individual customers. For VC, we can help them screen companies that focus on ESG and facilitate the investment. Apart from financial return, we will also reward them with contribution value and badges in the recognition of supporting net zero. For carbon management firms and alternative energy or material firms, they can get in touch with their potential customers and generate more revenue as well. What's more important is that they can find supply chain partners for reciprocal cooperation and further integration. As you may notice, we have also included individual customer as our stakeholder because we believe they can play a role of monitor and even get involved in crowdfunding for supporting net zero. And of course, we all want to hold our future in our own hands.
Then comes the visualization part. To better visualize the process of net zero, companies that do well in net zero will be rewarded with an additional tag in different shapes and colors. Firstly, based on the carbon data collected in the previous session, we set the worst carbon emission as 0% progress and net zero as 100% progress. Initially, we will set 3 levels, which are excellent 70%, good 40%, and normal 10%. To achieve the goal 2050 net zero, the level will be raised 1, 2, and 3% respectively. In the first 3 years, we gave the companies a good chance to develop, but from the 4th year, companies with a percentage lower than the minimum level will be excluded. The tag shape of each level are excellent, star shape, good, square shape, normal, no additional tag. Secondly, we use different colors to measure if the company is on the right track. There are 2 things in this part: recent 3 years increment speed and recent 5 years accumulated increment. If both are higher than the level speed, the company will receive a tag in green. If only one is higher, tag in blue. If neither is higher, tag in yellow. Then comes the cost and profit part. Our league is initiated and formed with companies in the fashion industry, so our financial aim is to help every member of the league to generate more profit. The market facts. Those are the facts from the market. We can see that we have a good chance. To attract more consumers, we will publish a kind of consumption coupon in our league. Also, we will do co-branding with the league and use social media to increase our influence. We are confident that the sales can be increased by 10%.
By using information sharing system, we believe that supply chain can increase total profits by alleviate bullwhip effect, increase inventory management efficiency, optimize capacity utilization, and better tracing and tracking for shipment.
The cost of our league is: first, we hire managers and auditing firms to manage the league and verify the information. Then we also spend money in producing tag and coupon discount. The money we spend will be gained from the commission of matching and the membership fee. Thank you for watching.